Hello, coding stars! Today we're diving into the magic of math in Scratch. Stay till the end because we have a cool math challenge waiting for you. We'll use math blocks to create a fun spinning wheel game. So, watch carefully and don't miss a step. In Scratch, mathematical operators help us do math inside our code. Just like a calculator, we can add, subtract, multiply, divide, and even do cool tricks like rounding and finding remainders. Imagine adding points when the cat collects stars, subtracting lives when the cat touches an obstacle, multiplying speed to make the game harder, dividing the score to get an average. With these math blocks, we can control how things move, change scores, and make awesome games. Basic math blocks. Addition adds two numbers. Example, 5 plus 3 equals 8. Subtraction subtracts one number from another. Example, 10 minus 4 equals 6. Multiplication multiplies two numbers. Example, 3 times 2 equals 6. Division divides numbers. Example, 8 divided 2 equals 4. Advanced math blocks. Mod finds the remainder after division. Example, 10 mod 3 equals sine 1. Round rounds a number up or down. Example, round 3.6 equals sine 4. Abs, absolute value, always gives a positive number. Example, abs minus 5 equals sine 5. Super cool math blocks. Floor rounds down. Example, floor 3.9 equals sine 3. Ceiling rounds up. Example, ceiling 3.2 equals sine 4. Square root finds the square root. Example, Sqrt 9 equals sine 3. Sin, cos, tan, used for making circles and waves. Log, e circumflex, 10 circumflex, advanced math for creating tricky puzzles and cool effects. We'll make a wheel that spins using math blocks. Click, choose a sprite, and pick a spinning wheel. I made one, so let me upload it. Move the wheel to the center of the screen. Let's make the wheel spin. Add when green flag clicked block. Add forever block to keep it spinning. Inside the loop, add turn, pick random 5 to 10 degrees. Wait 0.1 seconds. Now the wheel spins forever. Now let's use math to control speed. Add a variable called speed. Set speed to pick random 5 to 15 at the start. Use multiplication to change speed based on the score. Let's start the code and see what happens. Here's a fun challenge for you. Can you slow down the spinning wheel when the player gets 10 points? Drop your answers in the comments. We'd love to see your ideas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun Scratch videos. Bye-bye, coding stars. See you in the next video.